So this video is for NEET 2022 aspirants. It is extremely important that you start your preparation now. If you get into class 12th and you have not done anything in class 11, you will really struggle managing your NEET preparation as well as your board exam study. There would be a lot of pressure and most of the students are not able to do it. So what we are doing right now is you have up to 60% scholarship discount if you give the scholarship test, link of which is given in video description. Click on that link, fill in your details, our counselor will call you and they will explain to you how you can write the scholarship test. The scholarship test, based on scholarship test score and class 10 boards, you will be eligible for up to 60% discount. So if you were not joining a course, if you wanted to join a course and you were not joining because you thought it was very expensive, this makes it cheaper, right? This is a very good discount. So what is there in the syllabus of the test? 4 questions from 5 chapters in physics. Which are these 5 chapters? Motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, laws of motion, work, energy, power, and system of particle and rotational motion. 4 questions from chemistry from 4 chapters. Which are these 4 chapters? Some basic concepts of chemistry, structure of atom, classification of elements and periodicity, and chemical bonding. And 8 questions from biology from 7 chapters. These 7 chapters are 4 chapters of diversity unit and 3 chapters of cell biology. 3 chapters of cell biology. And 4 chapters are from basic maths. Basic maths means calculus, vectors, and trigonometry and geometry. So total 20 questions and you get 30 minutes to attempt it. The link is given in video description. Our counselor will call you once you have filled in the details. They will explain the complete thing to you and then you can write the scholarship test. You will find out how much scholarship you are getting, how much discount you are getting, and you can decide whether you would like to join or not. If you want to talk to me, this is my number 96675 91930. You are not sure, your parents are not sure whether you can crack NEET by studying from an online course. 1100 students got selected from our platform this year in government medical colleges. So you can do it. But if there is any confusion, you want to ask any questions from me, you want to talk to me, you can call me on this number 96675 91930. But students, it is extremely important that you start your preparation now. Don't wait for start of your class 12th. And one more thing, our course is available in English. This is for students who understand Hindi, which would be students up to Maharashtra, and it is also available in pure English. In a lot of parts of the country, especially South and Northeast, students are not able to understand Hindi, so there is a pure English course available. But important thing is you start your preparation now. You join our course or you join any other online course, but you have to start your preparation now. Again, the link of the scholarship test is given in video description. Click on it, fill in your details, and our counselor will call you and explain to you all the details about the course. All right, students.